Well, enough about gaming. Let me first tell you about this brand new window that I've finally managed to open. Wondering what I'm talking about? Well, Windows has come up with its new update Windows 8.1 and I'm on my way to meet Dhruv Bhutani, who will take us through some innovative features of this phone, including the brand new and very exciting voice assist feature Cortana.
Hi, this is Dhruv Bhutani from PhoneArena.com and I've got the latest Windows Phone 8.1 dev preview running on my Lumia 1020. I'll be talking about some of the new changes in the operating system and what Microsoft has done to bring this platform up to date. Windows Phone 8.1 brings with it a lot of bug fixes and enough changes under the hood to term it maybe Windows Phone 9. I think the first thing that you will notice when you take a look at Windows Phone 8.1 is a renewed focus on the interface. Not only can you set another tile size on your phone, you can also now have a background wallpaper. When you set a background wallpaper, your tile color is changed to transparent, and so the wallpaper basically just flows behind it, and it is a very interesting looking parallax effect that looks really stunning in real life. You also get split volume controls now, so you no longer have to change the volume for your system as well as music with the same control. You get split controls. The next big improvement in Windows Phone 8.1 is the Action Center. Action Center is basically Microsoft's name for a notification center, which was much awaited. With Windows Phone 8.1, you finally get an Action Center. Notifications are still not really actionable, so that is something that applications will have to be updated for to take advantage of the new APIs in Windows Phone 8.1. You also get quick toggles right on top. Depending on the screen size, you'll get anywhere from between 4 to 5 quick toggles. So you can set maybe your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness controls and the rotation lock. You can just change that directly from your home screen itself by swiping down the Action Center. Microsoft's phones also have a personal assistant on board. You might think that Cortana, which is Microsoft's personal assistant for Windows Phone devices, is going to be left behind, but you'd be quite surprised. So let's take a look at what Cortana brings to the table. Play song, Get Home.
Here's Get Home.
Remind me to pick up milk when I get home.
Remind you to pick up milk when you get home.
So as you saw, it is possible to set reminders and have a conversational flow with Cortana. It is also possible to have a conversation with Cortana in the same vein as Siri. How's the weather?
It's currently 92 and hazy.
So in terms of the intelligence that is built into Cortana, I think Microsoft has done a very good job. Amongst the changes brought about by Windows Phone 8.1, there are a lot of changes to the applications which were the system applications that were bundled in with the phone. Microsoft has broken apart the music and video hub into separate applications, which makes it easier for them to update it. Another addition to the keyboard that Windows Phone 8.1 users will definitely appreciate is that it automatically suggests emoticons. So if you're talking about a party, for example, it'll automatically pull up an emoji icon from its database and it'll suggest it in the autocorrect options and you can tap it directly. One of the changes comes to the camera application. Now the Microsoft camera application, which is on board Windows Phone 8.1, takes a lot of UI cues from Nokia's camera app. You get quick toggles to switch between burst mode, your photograph mode, video mode, and also easily accessible settings for all sorts of changes that you might want to make. You can also easily access your camera lenses. So that's one of the changes to the camera mode, but I suppose you'll probably want to stick to the Nokia camera application, which is miles ahead of this. I think with Windows Phone 8.1, Microsoft has finally been able to achieve feature parity with both Android and iOS. This being an update that will be available across the spectrum from the most basic of Windows Phone devices to the most high-end, I think users are going to be very happy to receive it. What do you think about Microsoft?
There's no place like home.
Now that's what I meant when I mentioned the new window. So guys, any questions for Dhruv?
Dhruv, don't you think Microsoft is a little late with some of its features? I mean, Cortana is great, but we've seen Siri and Google now do the same things for quite some time now.
I agree that Microsoft has taken their own sweet time to bring out this update, but I think with this update they finally have feature parity with all the leading operating systems out there, and that is definitely a step in the right direction. It can only get better from here. And I think even with Cortana, they've given it enough unique aspects and interesting ways that in which it works, which will definitely set it apart.
Dhruv, when will the update be available for users in India?
Microsoft has stated that the update rollout will begin sometime later this summer. So I'd expect the first devices based on Windows Phone 8.1 to start shipping sometime next month, and the update should probably start shipping late May or June, early June.
So Dhruv, tell us, is there any way of getting early access to Windows 8.1?
Yes, Microsoft has made it really easy to get early access to the update. They've got a special dev preview program, and in fact that is what we're running on a phone right now. You just have to go and register on a website, download an application, and the update will be there on your phone right now.